In this video, we will talk about a famous and useful IC, which is a 555. This IC has been used in various electronic circuits for many years. It is used in timer, pulse generation, LED flasher, alarm, oscillator, and many other electronic circuits. You can see its internal diagram in this image. So let's know what a 555 timer IC is, how many pins it has, and how it works. First of all, let's talk about what the 555 timer IC is. This IC is usually available in 8-pin package. It contains several imported electronic circuits, including two comparators, an SR flip-flop, and a discharge transistor. All of this together make it an excellent IC. Now let's move on to its 8 pins and their functions. Pin number 1. This is a ground pin and is connected to the negative supply of the circuit. Pin number 2. Trigger. This is the trigger input. The IC can change the status of its output when an appropriate trigger signal is received on this pin. And the pin number 3 is output. This is the output pin of the IC. We get output signal from this pin. Pin number 4, reset pin. This is the reset pin. Usually in normal operation it is connected to the positive supply so that the IC does not reset. Pin number 5, control voltage. This pin controls the reference voltage inside the IC. In typical circuits it is connected to the ground through a capacitor. Pin number 6, threshold. This is the threshold input. It monitors the voltage of timing capacitor and controls the output accordingly. Pin number 7, discharge. This is the discharge pin. Through this pin, the transistor discharges the timing capacitor inside the IC. Pin number 8, VCC. And finally, pin number 8 is VCC. It is connected to the positive power supply.